How is it? Good? Let's see Kuya's. How's your product?
It's amazing. You guys should make this at home. Hello guys, we are making a banana. We're making a banana muffin.
Choco banana muffin.
Muffin. So we are mixing sugar and oil. So now can I do it?
Now mix it, Kuya.
I'll do it. Can I try?
One by one. Yeah. Hold this bowl and mix it.
Okay.
Yes. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Yes. Very good.
My turn.
Just wait a minute.
What if you put the chocolate chip?
Not yet. We are putting it in. Now Lucas will put the egg in. Good.
Thank you. What?
Mix the two ripe banana inside, please. Half for Kuya, half for you.
My turn? Yes. I'll hold and Cleo scoop it up.
Good.
Ready?
You can pour it and pour and scoop. Kuya will scoop it out. Yeah, good. What's anything remaining in the thing?
Nope.
Put it here. Now, let go of these things and we'll use the hand mixer now.
Can I do that? Can I
You
try?
can both do it.
Can I
Yes.
do it?
You can both do it.
No, I want to mix it. I'll mix it.
Lucas will mix it and Kuya will prepare the hand mixer.
Okay, so
Lucas,
you
hold the
mix.
bowl and hold the bowl with the
I will do the hand mixer.
Okay. That's good, Lucas.
Smells like sugar chocolate chip cookies. No.
Don't try it, Lucas.
Are the flowers gone? Can I mix it?
Yes. With this one.
All of it. No.
All of it. Hold the bowl here.
I got some.
Now, what else? 1/4 cup fresh milk. Lucas, add the fresh milk slowly now, please. Pour slowly to Kuya's. Uy.
Mix it
Yes.
as you go.
Okay, that's good. Good. Yes,
Huh?
good. Can I borrow first? Let me borrow muna.
You like it?
How was it go?
Gong 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 gong
Yeah,
gong.
yeah.
I'll open it.
Oh,
I'll
baby,
get
open this one first.
this.
Postbag, sorry.
Keep us silent.
This one for how many green things
Let's
do you
see
have?
how much do we get. Six. We have to get 12.
Stack them up. This one is lots. One scoop of this one. You're gonna hold it up.
Yeah, it's that.
Hold it up.
It's
And
on
put
plate.
Just one. Maybe one for now. Hey, we'll
That's
try one.
simple.
Because it rises.
It rises.
Okay, inside, okay?
That's it?
Okay.
Mommy,
Yes, for now.
that is
Here.
it.
Kuya,
Oh my
we'll do 5. Lucas will do 5. Here, anak, don't tap it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna get
Baby,
the
hold here at the bottom. Lucas, don't put your finger inside.
Why?
Because you're gonna put that in. I'll hold it for you. You should it
I
inside.
want chocolate chip more.
Kuya, Lucas.
No.
Okay.
Okay. And now put that on. Beep, beep.
Let's see. Good.
Beep, beep. Done? Why would it already be done? I wish it was fun. I wish it was done away. Done. 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 Done.
How is it? Good? Let's see Kuya's. How's your product?
It's amazing. You guys should make this at home.